off-white from whites. Today we're showing I would say a 9 out of 10, close to 10 out of 10, mint condition van. 2012, late model compliance 2012, with only about 50,000 Ks, automatic turbo diesel. It's got a bench seat here for 3 people. But if you have a look at the upholstery, the floor, etc., it's in mint condition. And the sign writing will come off, obviously, upon sale. But in the back here, is a mint condition 870 with 139 hours on it. So virtually brand new. I think it's just had one service, that's about it. You'll notice all the racking has all been done right through across the top. It's got a retractor reel here, very easy for setting up, but this is an absolutely mint condition van, and it's got a customised, while I'm at it, it does have a customised fuel tank up underneath, and here's your fuel gauge here. So there's a 50-60 litre fuel tank up underneath the van with your fuel gauge working here. And you come down the side, that's your fuel to be unleaded right there. And for room for portables, dryers, dehumidifiers, anything like that. The racking comes right through, and then you've got like a blower rack in here as well, and a chemical shelf at the side. But it's in mint condition. All right, thank you.